We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Zuolan, between Dadu and Dongshi, has a population that is over 80% Hakka. The main temple in Zuolan is the Erluan Temple, built in 1813. It is particularly important to Hakka at Chinese New Year. Accompanied by large Hakka drums and lions, the temple god, king of the three mountains, makes a round of the streets at the Lantern Festival and people ask for blessings for the coming year. The god obviously responds, as due to the gentle climate, Zuolan really is blessed and produces fruit all year round, from grapes, starfruit, peaches, and pears to wax apples. Many visitors come to Zuolan during July and August to buy grapes and pears in season, and pick your own fruit day trips to the fields and orchards are very popular with visitors from all over Taiwan.
Hello and welcome to another exciting edition of our Hakka lesson of the day. 你好，大家好。
你好，大家好。
Today we're going to talk about the importance of having good friends around. 今天我们要讲就是要结交好朋友，广结善缘。那么在客家话里面有什么样的俚语呢？
大家唔會讓邊客，出路逢地小主人。
And what does it mean in Mandarin?
意思就會講你啊，在乎下銀行來嘅時節啦，愛面帶笑容啊，愛多交朋友。冇嘅話，漢拜啊，出門嘅時節冇人來參與啊。
哦，我聽得懂了，真的我是越來越厲害的。他的意思就是說呢，如果有朋友到你家呢，就是常保笑容，不然以後呢出外呢就沒有朋友，你就會覺得說，哎呦，怎麼會這樣子，對不對？
孤孤單單哦。
Okay, so in other words, if somebody comes to your house, you have to show them a good time because that's the way you treat people. That's the Hakka way of treating friends. And once you have a lot of friends, you don't have to worry about if you get out of your hometown, if you're out there by yourself, you'll still be greeted by friends, be treated very nicely. 是不是这样子？Okay, one more time, please.
在家唔會讓賓客，
在家怎麼樣？
不會迎賓客。
If you don't know how to show your guests a good time,
出路逢地小主人。
you'll be surprised that you have no friends when you go outside. That's our lesson of the day. Thank you very much.
什麼大家長來了？
什麼大家安子些？
客家风情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.